I need to change
I realized
my hair
that this was probably a very dumb idea because it's us. But I went with the silent and sneaky approach. So
You're fucking.
Dude. I'm not even in it.
Dude, why would you
that
do
might
that?
have been a bad idea.
Yeah, hey, I don't have suppressors on my guns, so.
Neither do I.
Is that Mr. T likes to fight when he gets older?
Oh shit, here we come.
Do this thing.
Wait, where am I at? Oh wait, no,
You're
that's
not allowed to be here.
Oh, look at me!
That casino.
I'm so confused. Like it's like a little bit behind. Oh, you're chilling.
That's a lot behind.
Oh my god.
Taco Man, dude.
Oh, it was so gross.
Does not get hot in that suit, Nasty?
It is a private.
You just scratch your
I haven't
ass.
My character looks so stupid like this.
I don't like how
Guy
you
goes
and
to the
Roach are
only
leading
normal
the
people.
pack right now.
Yeah.
Seeing the most unqualified.
Roach and I's characters gave each other like a fist bump. It's like, hey, what's up, man?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
How
not fun.
how
It's
are
just
we
one
entering?
night.
Are we going through the roof entrance, staff lobby, or waste disposal?
Not
Waste disposal.
Waste
Oh, fuck
disposal.
it. No, it, yes.
Lit.
Let's
All
go
right,
through
we're
the
going in through the
toilets, come on.
trash.
Fuck it.
All right, how are we leaving?
What's your answer?
Okay.
What are your options?
Wait. Okay, are we leaving through staff lobby?
Boring.
Waste disposal.
Oh, the same.
God
Same one.
damn it.
No,
let's
let's.
leave to the terrace.
Should we?
Terrace.
Okay, how the fuck are we gonna get off the roof then? That's the question.
That's the point. We're gonna wing it, bro.
Yeah, fuck it.
Okay.
Okay, the buyer has
Who's
to
Lined
be the
up
waste
3
disposal.
potential buyers for the take. We want to
Wait,
move.
no,
I think that's
buyers
the same
are
thing.
We'll be heading
person,
straight
right?
from the casino to the drop-off. The buyers up
Scroll
on
through
will
it.
net us the most.
That's
I have to
Furthest
listen to
away.
Lester
We'll
talk
lose
to
a
me.
bit on
Hang
the deal
on.
with
Oh my
buyers
god,
in the
dude.
city.
Shut up, Lester.
They might be worth it for the convenience.
Yeah.
Look how happy my
Lester.
taco is.
Oh shit.
High
Okay,
level.
where?
Go high level.
Oh,
High
this
level.
is. Okay, this
Mid-level,
is the
mid-level.
payout.
High level. High
I
level.
was like
High level.
streetcars.
Street
level.
Well, no, that's
Streetcars.
that's the heist take, bitch. Like, how much money we
Oh.
making? Okay, we're going high level. We're
Yeah.
going to Polito
Okay.
Bay then.
I only have $89,000, dude. Please.
Even take.
I can barely
I have
afford a-
zero.
I can
Okay,
barely afford
so
my
here's
house.
the thing. We all have access to a money glitch. Gygos doesn't, so he gets all of it.
Yes.
Oh.
It's only fair.
Thank you, rich white man. Thank you.
Trying to wear whatever the fuck.
All right, how we dressing? This looks really
I want
dark.
to just watch. I just want to wear what I. Oh, what the?
Yeah, I'm trying to wear what I always wanted. Oh my god, what the
A little
fuck
pupper.
was that?
Honestly, the
All
audio
right,
was so
boys.
quiet. I actually don't know what any of this house is about. I don't know why we're doing it or anything.
I don't know. All I know is that we're going to a casino. We have to be stealthy, and we're going into a vault, stealing a shit ton of money, and getting the fuck out.
Aren't you
The
the
first
one that did the
heist,
setup?
or that
You
fourth
know a
heist.
little bit?
I don't know.
Is it gonna load or?
We're gonna find out.
How am I rocket voltic? Ooh, this one will be interesting.
Okay, we all walk out. We all walk outside.
Man, this
and
isn't
just in
suspicious
this,
at all.
It's like, oh yeah, no, this is fine.
We're just chilling.
What?
Got it,
Shit.
boys.
Oh, this
Um,
is,
Okay. All right.
Okay. Why'd you get out? Get back in the car. Get back in the car. Leave the car door there. Get back in, Dylan. I swear to God.
Hey, what? Can you get in? I mean, oh my god.
Dude, move.
Forgot the security camera.
All right, key card. Guys, Dylan.
Yes.
Stop. Oh, that's it? I can't move.
Yeah. No, neither can I.
What?
Are you fucking kidding me? Gygos lagged out, didn't he?
I think so.
Oh my.
Well,
You're at 10, boys.
all right. We'll be
Thanks
back
for
after
watching. We'll
these
see you
interruptions. Dude,
That was
I
the
bet
thing.
we
I
better
didn't
not
either.
have to watch this fucking cutscene again, I swear.
We will.
Guys at Burger Shot just didn't.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Alright, let's go.
Should've been
Don't
fucking-
lag out again, Gygos.
I'll try not to.
Lags out.
Casually just walk in.
It's like, yep, I own this place. It's fine, guys.
Oh, okay, we're
Okay,
good.
here we go.
Hey.
Oh, damn! I didn't know Slam was here!
Oh shit, this is where he got his job.
Go to the basement. Is where we're trying to go.
Guys,
Okay,
guys,
we're already
it's a
in.
guys,
Uh-oh,
it's
uh-oh,
a stealth mission. Guys,
There, go. I'm just gonna keep shooting everything with my
Guys,
Yeah,
oh my
I'm
God.
just gonna keep
Crouch,
walking in.
crouch,
Hold on, camera.
guys. Oh
Wow.
my fucking
Great job.
Christ.
Good job. Who did it?
That was you, Dylan.
We're fine.
All right.
That was you.
All right.
Hey.
Find the
You
vault.
shot the camera.
Find the vault.
You guys are
Find the
shooting,
vault.
I'm sitting here.
Dylan, you shot the camera. You have to shoot it with some good.
Find the
I didn't
vault.
shoot. I literally haven't shot a bullet yet.
I saw you, and it even said tropical dildo. There's the guards.
Guys, over here. There's an elevator. Come on, let's go.
Oh my
Key
god.
card shit.
This is just go stealth, dude.
Put the blame on
Shoot
me.
the guy!
fucking-
Shoot the guy! I can't shoot him!
Oh my god.
Well,
I was doing the key card thingy! Guys, slow down! Wait for me!
Elevator.
You shot
Use
the
it, use it,
camera.
use it! Shoot him! What the fuck?!
I'm stuck. I can't like look.
These are some shitty guards.
They're AI,
Open
that's why.
sesame. What the fuck is this?
Dude, I'm, like,
Oh,
so
dude, it's
confused
the
right
time
now.
thingy. Someone get on the card. Okay, guy, just
Get it.
bursted the glass. Okay, just. I mean, it's a sliding glass door.
all right, I'm ready. Ready?
Okay, Dylan, 3, 2, 1, go.
What?
Hey. Oh, there you go.
Wow, even the vault door is made
Okay.
of gold.
How the fuck do we open this?
I got
wanna
it.
I want to do the code.
I already did the
Aw.
drilling.
Oh, I'm drilling apparently.
Drill time.
Isn't this from the very first heist?
Yeah, it's the first heist. Oh my
Fuck.
god, dude.
No, it's a freaking laser drill
Alright,
though.
let's go.
It's the same thing though. It's done.
Is it?
Nope.
Go, I did it.
Gallegos. Did you? What?
Yep, I did it.
Nasty.
How?
It's not
The fuck?
hard.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Just let it cool down.
Your
Let it
lightsaber
cool
already?
down. Let it cool down. Have you never
Got it,
watched
buddy.
The Phantom Menace?
No, dude, he is uncultured. That's why.
Oh.
Damn it, dude. Yeah, there you
Did
go.
we start watching anime?
Yeah, no, he got bored.
Yeah, nice and easy,
Yeah.
dude. Nice and
There we go.
There you go.
Okay, Dylan apparently has a bigger brain than I do.
Yes,
Well, everyone has a bigger brain than you do.
Thanks, Gallegos.
I'm sorry.
check.
That's mean.
Alright, guys,
There's-
let's go get all your money.
Ah, yes.
Okay, is
I'm
this one
insane.
to be opened? Wait, is this all in the same room?
Yeah, it's all in the same room. No, it's not. What the hell?
Oh, wait, no, that's another
Oh.
door. Okay, you get that car. I'll open this one. Oh, there we go. I got it.
Oh my
You're
god.
late. There's 10 seconds.
Yeah, too late, dude.
Hey, no one says we have to leave right now.
Pretty sure he's just gonna kick us out.
No, like literally it says continue looting or leave the vault.
He just said you're dead
It says
yeah, because look, nerve agent, that's why.
for being gassed.
Oh.
Oh my
Oh.
god. No.
Just
No,
open
no,
it.
no,
Just
no.
open it. Just open it. Just open it. It's fine. We're good. It's okay.
Go.
We're fine.
Just go.
We're fine.
Wait, can we not
We're
put on
fine.
gas masks?
Oh god, no we can't. Oh god. Oh.
Two of us are smart.
Guys, get out. Guys. Dylan.
I'm aborting this. Hack failed. I don't care. I need to get out of here.
Gus,
There's
you're gonna
freaking
die.
gas. Let me off the damn thing!
Rush back in. You can do that.
I don't have.
I can't see. Oh, please
Run
no.
to our
Please
characters,
no.
dude.
Oh my god, I literally have like a sliver. Hang on. I'm gonna be honest, I just think it's stupid how literally all of this went out of like plan because I chose stealth for a reason. Oh shit.
Oh, well.
I chose stealth for a reason because I like stealth
you guys are
missions,
losing money if you guys
and
make
then you guys
careful.
screwed that up. What's our? Oh wait, no, we have to end. Oh, we're leaving through the roof. I just realized. How the hell are we getting out of here?
But
Oh no.
Elevator?
So,
Where are we going?
I don't know. Find a way out. I'm over here. Call the elevator. Are you
Hotel
kidding me?
floor? Hotel
well-
floor?
I don't know what the elevator does. Oh wait. Why
Makes
is
us
that
go
over
up.
there? No. Roach, really?
I have no health. I have no health, and I have no
Okay,
healing.
I have health. I have health. I have health.
I have no health.
Dylan, your character's weak as fuck because you just got the game. Stay back anyway. I don't care.
wait, are we leaving through the terrace?
What the heck is this? This looks lit.
This
place is
fucking. Oh shit.
Finally.
For the
Good Lord, that took way too long. God, we're stupid. Okay, sounds good.
Oh, shit.
oh,
I
I was thinking
don't
would
have
happen if we were stealthy.
Well,
I don't think any of us do. What? Okay, what's our freaking escape vehicle?
I don't want to know.
The
Oh
vehicle
wait,
that
it's
we
the
got here with.
Subarus. Oh no. Wait.
Oh,
lordy.
no. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm driving. We're all getting in the same car and
I
I'm
like
driving.
to drive though, dude. I literally have not done anything this heist.
Neither have
Can I run any slower?
Okay, there's 2 cars. Do we dare to get in separate cars or what?
Fuck it. Let's do it. We can split the cops up.
Okay,
Oh
jump
no,
onto the
but
lower level.
I'm driving one of them.
Do not hit one of these trees.
Oh no!
Hit me! Oh, it hit me!
I think all 3 of us died.
Oh my god!
Dylan, nobody hit you. You hit a
Dude,
tree.
I actually double
It's like
tapped
all
it
3 of
because it
us.
didn't go off the first time I tapped it, so I was like, no. Then I tapped it. I nicked the building. Dude, how do you run so fast, dude? This don't make sense.
I'm gonna drop down there, just get killed the second I drop down.
Guys, we're losing money fast. Guys, we're losing money fast. Guys, we're losing money fast. Come on, stop getting
I don't
shot.
care about the money.
I do.
What? Yeah, of course you don't care about it, cause
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Dylan, you're
but
getting
you
in my
go
car.
the way in front of all the cops.
Okay, you 2 are
Human
taking the other car.
You could
This
have
is a lot
just
easier
covered
now.
us.
Yeah, he really could have. It's fine though. It's a cool
Fall
cart.
off again.
Go, Roach.
Hey, so
Better
Nasty, you
drive
wanna
it.
turn around here?
I'm not going
You
that
got the
way. I'm taking my
experience
own
driver.
damn route.
That's no fun.
Oh my god.
Watch him sound like a
Dodged
tank on
freaking
us.
bullet there.
Oh, power slide.
Oh my god, Nasty, why?
Dylan, I need you to trust me, okay?
Okay, I'm trusting
All right,
you.
Roach, we're going.
Yeah, my
for it.
full
Make
trust.
make sure you have your body armor
If
and
this falls and
shit
blows
in your
up.
inventory open at all
Dude,
times.
calculated.
No, I do.
Let's go.
Oh, I literally don't have any body armor or snacks. Okay, so I'm like lone survivor here.
I have snacks.
Got SWATs. Eat.
Go to whatever the fuck the clean vehicle thing is.
Eat.
Go up, let's go to this
Oh,
juice.
oh, I bought a decoy vehicle. That's what that is.
Oh.
Wait, what is this?
Oh.
It's a taxi.
No way.
Oh, we need to get
Oh
in
my
the
god,
back.
can I drive?
We still have cops.
Okay, I can drive.
Okay,
No, dude,
fine,
I'm just gonna
fuck
stay
it.
in this,
I'm
dude. This is a
trusting you.
lot better than. Yeah, no, we're chilling, dude.
Okay, baby driver.
But Dylan, you have to drive regularly. They don't know that we don't know who we are.
What's up, guys?
Just drive slow. Oh my god, Dylan and I lost the cops.
Yep, we did.
All right, Roach, it's you and I, dude. Let's go.
Oh.
Oh
Okay.
my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dylan,
Oh, okay.
Dylan.
We have to lose the cops. Okay, hold on. I got this shit.
Okay, we're fine. Alright, let's just open the
Dylan,
Yep.
Dylan, I'm just gonna say this. You don't need to drive like a fucking grandma. Just go.
Trying to hit the cops, so they. Oh shit.
Just don't run into
Oh
them.
my
Okay,
God.
just see you guys jump off the hill.
Yeah, we're chilling, just hanging out, trying to lose the cops. No big deal.
Oh my god. Oh. Hey guys, how's it going over there? You guys good?
Yeah, we're chilling.
Alright.
What's up?
This was the
Hey,
more
how's it going?
fun route.
Oh, that was kind of sick.
Yeah, dude. There was no
You guys
fun
just
like
took a taxi.
whatsoever.
Here's your money.
How
Pass.
the fuck
How?
did I
Oh
get
my
bronze?
god. Oh
I got
my
bronze,
god,
what?
I only got 100 grand.
Potential take 200. What?
Total cash
Wow.
earned 100.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we got fucking nothing.
435,000. I'm not. Yeah, it's alright.
Holy shit,
Actually, I have
we
money
got
now.
fucking nothing, dude.
We don't even get a first time bonus. Like, what the fuck?
It's probably because you bought through all the.
Oh, come over to the edge and take a look at her.
Oh my god.
Clean it out.
Push him. Push Nasty off. He doesn't belong here.
We broke it.
Why am I picking up his cane?
Here, have a swig of
What?
that. It is
Because
there.
you use this to
bueno.
walk?
Got some for me.
No, why am I picking up his cane?
I
Oh, something for me, bruv.
thought you went back.
I did.
I thought
He's
you
not
went
British,
back.
don't mind me.
Didn't want to miss the
He's
celebration.
a gold
I
digger.
did.
Duggan's insurance
But I'm here
premium
now.
is already done.
Didn't want to miss the
It'll
celebration.
keep doubling if we hit the place again.
Do you think that's actually possible?
We couldn't approach
He's
it the
definitely a
same
gold digger.
way. They'll be expecting that, but
100%. Who would want to fucking date this guy?
Oh, he's saying that we need to
You're
do this
a
again,
very
Nasty. Come
resourceful
on.
man, Mr. Crest.
here I was, thinking that I was retired. Didn't have
Fuck am I doing?
anything left to give.
Maybe we should leave this guy
Me
alone.
and guys just were like, yo, I'm gonna head out, dude. Like,
I'm
we
head
gotta head
out.
out.
Cut to black!
Oh, okay.
It's like watching, dude. It's like watching your granddad kiss someone, dude. That's kind of weird.
For that.
Oh, okay.
Dude,
All right. Can we go to back?
stop.
Can we go to back?
This is
Can we go to back?
this is a PG channel.
Bruh.
Isn't
That moment
isn't
when
that,
Lester gets more pussy than you.
Dude, that's
True, dude.
disgusting.
True. That hurt a little too much. Hey, now we're just chilling.
My character's back to his
Alright,
smoking
now we did
habits.
that. Oh, well.
No!
Oh god damn it, you're in my thing!
Flame on!
Flame on!
Woo! I made no money from that. That
I
was
made
so
a lot of
pointless.
money. Let's go!